This is my original voice, and it's in English.
Now I'm on Microsoft Bing Create, where we can use DALL-E 3 for free.
After that, I clone my voice using Wondershare Verbo, and now I can generate audio in any language with my voice. Let's say I want to generate audio in Spanish. I can do that with just one click.
Ahora, profundicemos en la prueba de la compresión de IA y veamos cómo funciona.
If I want to generate audio in Hindi, I can do that too.
अब आइए AI संपीड़न का परीक्षण करें और देखें कि यह कैसा प्रदर्शन करता है.
If I want to generate audio in Portuguese, I can do that too.
Agora vamos testar a compressão de IA e ver como ela funciona.
If I want to generate audio in German, I can do that too.
Lassen Sie uns nun mit dem Testen der KI-Komprimierung beginnen und sehen, wie sie funktioniert.
And of course, I can easily generate audio in English too.
Now, let's dive into testing the AI compression and see how it performs.
With Wondershare Verbo, you can achieve this level of high-quality voice cloning completely free. Isn't that just awesome? All of this has been made possible by Wondershare Verbo. It's truly amazing. Hey everyone, great to see you again. In this video, I'll be showing you some amazing AI tools from Wondershare Verbo that you can use to run AI faceless channels super easily. The voice cloning tool is completely free to use. Check this out. This is my free account, and I'm going to demonstrate how to clone a voice with it right now. To get started, upload a sample voice that's between 50 to 90 seconds long. Once that's done, agree to the privacy policy, hit Create Clone, and voila, your voice will be cloned in just seconds. Wondershare Verbo is the ultimate tool for building a faceless YouTube channel, and for added flexibility, Verbo is available online, as a desktop app, and even as a mobile app, so you can use it however you like. In this video, I'll walk you through some of the most exciting features Verbo brings to the table. Let's kick things off with avatar videos. To generate a highly realistic and engaging AI avatar, you need to visit Wondershare Verbo's website. After that, you can generate your avatar video using this first option. Here, you'll find featured AI avatars that are commonly used by many people. If you don't like any of these, just click on More to explore a wider range of pre-made AI avatars and choose the one you prefer. My favorite is Audrey's avatar, so I'm going with this one. Of course, you can select whichever one you prefer. There's a wide variety of AI avatars to pick from. After that, you'll find a few basic editing tools. Let me quickly walk you through how they work. With templates, you can add pre-made templates. Under avatars, you can add or change avatars. The background option lets you add a background, and text allows you to insert text with beautiful text effects. In the stickers section, you can add animated stickers to your video. In music, you can add background music, while the import option lets you upload your own media, including audio, video, or images. Lastly, there's AI generation, which you can use to create AI-generated media. Alright, now let's see how to create an AI avatar and how to export or download it. The first step is to enter your script. After that, you can choose a voice from a wide variety of options. You can preview each voice to find the one that fits perfectly. The quality of these voices is truly impressive, high quality and crystal clear.
Amidst a historic labor movement,
Once you've selected a voice, simply click on Play Script to hear how your script sounds. It's a great way to ensure everything is just right.
hey everyone! You've probably seen tons of cool AI avatar videos.
So, that's how our script sounds. Now you might be asking, why isn't the character animating yet? Let's play the video from the timeline first, and then I'll walk you through what's going on.
Hey everyone! You've probably seen tons of cool AI avatar videos.
So, the reason it's not animating right now is that it's in preview mode, and characters don't animate in this mode. It would definitely look better with animation, but no worries. Let's export it and check it out. To export, go to the top right corner and click on the Export button. Then, select the export quality and click Export again to finish. Once the export is complete, your video will be ready. Let's play it now and check out the final outcome.
Welcome to Wondershare Verbo. Generate engaging AI video in minutes.
Next, just click the download button to save your video. And there you have it. That's how you can easily create and use Verbo's AI talking avatar feature. Alright, let's dive into the next exciting feature, talking photos in Verbo. I'll show you how to use it step by step. To create new talking photos, click on Create a new photo to get started. You'll have two options, either use AI to generate a photo or upload your own custom photo. We'll go with the upload option for this demo. Click Upload, then Next. A quick guide will appear, letting you know that the photo should have the person's face clearly visible and straight. After reviewing this, accept the privacy policy, click Upload, and select the photo you want to use. I'll choose this one. You can crop the photo if needed, or simply continue with the same aspect ratio. And that's it, your image will start uploading. After uploading the image, just select it and hit Next. Then, enter the text you want the photo to say in the input text box. You'll also get the option to pick a voice. You can even use your clone voice if you've created one. For this example, I'll choose Emma's voice. If you want, you can add subtitles and background music to enhance your video. I'll skip those for now to keep it simple. Finally, click Create Video, and that's it. Your video will start generating right away. Alright, now let's play the video and see how it turned out.
Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how to bring still photos to life? Today I'm going to show you how to turn ordinary pictures into talking photos with the power of AI.
That's how easy it is to generate high-quality talking photos using Wondershare Verbo. Now let's move on to another exciting feature, the video translator. It's incredibly handy and perfect for making faceless YouTube channels with minimal effort. Nowadays, a lot of YouTubers are expanding their reach by translating videos into multiple languages and reposting them. For instance, someone reached out to me on Instagram, asking for permission to translate and re-upload my videos. I wasn't interested, so I turned it down. But this could be a great opportunity if you're looking to grow. With permission, you can collaborate with creators and translate their content. That person shared they're already managing over 12 channels like this. They even sent me a Hindi translated sample of one of my videos, which I'll play for you now.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सबको दोबारा देख के अच्छा लग रहा है। आज के वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं कि कैसे आप एक कंसिस्टेंट एनिमेटेड कैरेक्टर बना सकते हैं मिनीमैक्स के माध्यम से। अगर आपने मिनीमैक्स के बारे में नहीं सुना है, तो ये एक टेक्स्ट टू वीडियो मॉडल है जिसमें सिर्फ आप प्रॉम्प्ट्स लिख कर वीडियो बना सकते हैं। आज का वीडियो उन लोगों के लिए काफी हेल्पफुल होगा जो एनिमेटेड कार्टून्स, मूवीज, किड्स स्टोरीज या फिर एनिमेटेड रिडल्स बनाना चाहते हैं और YouTube जैसे प्लेटफॉर्म से पैसे कमाना चाहते हैं।
Using the video translator like this can be incredibly profitable. Imagine translating content from top creators like Mr. Beast and posting it on your own channel. Just remember, getting their permission is crucial. It's a step you can't skip. Alright, now let's see how to use the video translator. With this tool, you can translate videos anywhere from 5 seconds to 5 minutes long. The first step is to upload your video. Once your video is uploaded, next, choose the original language of the video. For this example, the video is in English, so I'll go ahead and select English. After that, choose the language you want to translate the video into. For this demonstration, let's test it by translating to Spanish. Now you'll see an option to add subtitles. If you need subtitles, you can enable this feature, but I'm skipping it for now since I don't need them. However, for a high-quality and precise video translation, enabling this option is highly recommended. It ensures the translation is more accurate and polished. For this demo, I'll go ahead and enable it. After that, click on Translate this video. Next, the script of our English video will begin generating in Spanish. Hey everyone! It's great to see you. After the script is translated, both the original English script and the translated script will appear side by side. If you need to make any edits to the translation, you can do that here. If everything looks good and you're happy with the translation, just click on Translate Video, and the video will start translating into the selected language. Okay everyone, the video translation is complete. Let's hit play and check it out. Hola a todos, es genial veros de nuevo, grandes noticias, todos, Minimax o Autopista I, como algunos le llaman, ha lanzado una increíble función de texto a voz que es completamente gratuita. Hola a todos. And that's how you can leverage video translation to create videos in multiple languages for your YouTube channel. Now let's move on to the next exciting tool, URL to Video. Verbo's URL to Video feature is a game changer, especially if you're running an e-commerce business or thinking about starting one. It's designed to make things easier and more impactful. Let me show you how it works. Simply copy the link to your product, head over to Verbo, paste it into the URL to Video section, and hit Analyze URL. Next, Verbo analyzes your link, collects the media and product details, and crafts a ready-to-share video for social media, helping you increase your earnings effortlessly. If the script looks good to you, there's no need to edit, just hit Generate Video, and Verbo will take care of the rest, creating your video instantly. Okay everyone, the video is finally ready. Let's hit play and check out the results.
Welcome to the world of Travelite, where our backpacks are not just bags but your ultimate travel companions designed for the journey of your life. Meet our lightweight and stylish gray backpack, equipped with a roll-top closure for added convenience and a sleek profile that turns heads wherever you go. Check out the practical features like an adjustable mesh pocket and various compartments, making it a breeze to organize all your travel essentials and tech. With a chic buckle and soft brown zippers, this bag combines functionality with a modern aesthetic, perfect for the urban adventurer.
And that's how easy it is to create product videos using Verbo's URL to video feature. If you want to explore Wondershare Verbo, you can download it from the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video.